Welcome back to FitLife Fusion, your go-to spot for all things health and wellness. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to stay updated with our latest tips. Today, we're talking about a fascinating topic: 5 top foods that have 0 calories. That's right, these foods are so low in calories that your body burns more digesting them than what they provide. Ready to find out what they are? Let's dive in. First on the list is a classic 0-calorie food, celery. This crunchy snack is made up of mostly water and fiber, making it incredibly low in calories. In fact, your body uses more energy to chew and digest celery than the calories it contains. Celery, mostly water and fiber, almost 0 calories. Celery is great for snacking, adding to salads, or even juicing. It's super hydrating and can help you feel full without adding extra calories to your diet. Next, we have cucumber, another hydrating, nearly 0-calorie food. Like celery, cucumbers are mostly water, which makes them a refreshing and light snack or salad ingredient. Cucumber, hydrating and almost 0 calories. Cucumbers are perfect for making your meals more filling while keeping the calorie count down. Plus, they add a fresh, crisp texture to any dish. Next up is lettuce, specifically varieties like romaine and iceberg. Lettuce is incredibly low in calories and is mostly made up of water and fiber. Lettuce, water-rich and virtually calorie-free. Whether you're using it as a base for your salad or as a wrap instead of bread, lettuce is an easy way to bulk up your meals without adding calories. Another 0-calorie superstar is zucchini. This veggie is not only low in calories, but also rich in vitamins like vitamin C and potassium. You can eat it raw, sauté it, or spiralize it into zoodles. Zucchini, low-calorie and vitamin-packed. Zucchini is perfect for adding volume to your meals while keeping the calorie count low. It's also a great pasta substitute if you're looking to reduce carbs. Last but not least is broccoli. This nutrient-dense vegetable is incredibly low in calories, but high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. It helps keep you full and nourished without piling on the calories. Broccoli is a fantastic side dish for any meal, or you can enjoy it raw with a healthy dip. It's an excellent way to add nutrition to your diet while staying calorie conscious. And there you have it. 5 top foods that have almost 0 calories. Celery, the ultimate 0-calorie food. Cucumber, refreshing and virtually calorie-free. Lettuce, the salad staple. Zucchini, low-calorie and versatile. Broccoli, packed with nutrients but low in calories. These foods are perfect for snacking or adding to your meals when you're trying to keep things light and healthy. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which of these 0-calorie foods you'll be adding to your diet. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and take care.